Mr. Akash Gautam.
अच्छा, just also taking a check which language should I use because मुझे भाषा का थोड़ा प्यार है. हिंदुस्तान में बोले जाने वाली 6 भाषाओं सीखने की मैंने कोशिश की, सीख भी ली. और 6 भाषाएं सीखने के बाद मुझे समझ आया कि मैंने अपना टाइम वेस्ट किया बिकॉज अगर भाषा महत्वपूर्ण होती तो मिस्टर बीन्स इतने अच्छे वक्ता कैसे होते. अरे सो कहने की चाह होनी चाहिए और उससे महत्वपूर्ण है कि सुनने की चाह होनी चाहिए. मैं 6 की 6 भाषाएं इस्तेमाल करूंगा. बीच में अगर किसी कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो आप मेरी भावनाओं को समझो. बाबू जैसे ही the most wasted time in the lives of today's youth is between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. ये ताली बजा रहे हैं, यही विक्की डोनर हैं. या जैसे ही खाना खा के कमरे में पहुंचे, मतलब if you were to record your conversation with your girlfriend or boyfriend and you were to listen to it after 10 years, you'll feel embarrassed. Yeah? क्या डिस्कस करते हो साला, कितनी रोटी खाई, क्या किया ये. And then some youngsters they kiss on the mobile phone. ग्राहम बेल जिसने फोन बनाया उसकी आत्मा पछताती होगी. होस पाइप में कचरा फंसने की आवाज आती है ना. रिलेशनशिप, सब सारे दोस्त रिलेशनशिप्स में व्यस्त हैं और जिंदगी से त्रस्त हैं. We are falling in love very regularly and very frequently, and almost every time it's a true love. Youngsters today are relationship addicts. They keep on moving from one relationship to the next, hoping that the next one will satisfy them more. I'm sorry, but 80% of the emails which I receive are about relationship issues only. Out of those 80%, 2/3 have a problem कि breakup हो गया और 1/3 की है कि हो नहीं रहा. Right? Just. Okay. Anyways, हम ज्ञान नहीं देंगे. मतलब समझे तो मजा आया. We'll talk about it later, right? Further, what to do? Daydreaming. TVs, Netflixes. When you reach home at the end of the day's work, you're too tired to even meaningfully engage with your parents or siblings. So you switch on a default channel called TV or on the mobile phone, seeing all the stuff. Right? And overeating or undereating. People have complexes. Boys think they're not tall. Girls are fat, curly hair. Complexes. I have to ask you this question. How much sexy would Sachin Tendulkar or A.R. Rahman be if you take away cricket or music out of them? Being sexy is how much successful you are. Yes or no? So get rid of your complexes. If you were really innately, hugely successful, thousands will flock you to chase you or to date you. Yes or no? Right. Today, no. सुनो, जो ताली बजा रहे हैं वही पापी हैं. Today, if your friend has a love life or a romantic life and you're jealous of it, you're very in a great zone. Today you chase your goals and become awesome, and tomorrow thousands will chase you for your awesomeness. Right. I personally believe that the biggest trap in the youth today is relationships. Because you're not prepared for them. It's like you get into a relationship because you're lonely. Such a boring assumption because your friends are into a relationship. It's such a boring. And imagine if you are bored with your own self and you're getting into a relationship. आप खुद बोर हो, किसी और की जिंदगी में जा रहे हो, उसकी जिंदगी में तो तुम टिंडे की सब्जी फैला दोगे यार. Be more. You need to be centered first. You need to be less feverish first. You need to be sorted in your mind first. You need to understand yourself first. You need to have grown first. You need to be settled first before you get into a relationship. Because being in a relationship is a full-time job. Boys know it. Paying all the coffee bills. Coffee bills se aata hai, girls pay your own coffee bills. Because when boys pay for you, they will seek for return on investment. लोचा तभी होता है. Are you with me? Anyways, no gyan here. For funny emotional issues, and if you look at any of these things which I'm speaking about, this is nothing but your misguided efforts to calm and comfort yourself. Yes or no? You know, over a period of time, most of the things will numb you out instead of recharging you out. You know, why are depressions so prevalent? Young people are antidepressants. It's because by the time you're 5, you're 10, you have a mobile phone. By the time you're less than 18, you have a car. By the time you're 21, you've already had 2-3 breakups. बचा क्या? Too fast, too soon. बात पे टूट जाता है साला. दिल है कि BSNL का ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन. You know, कमाल का हौसला दिया है खुदा ने हम बंदों को. वाकिफ हम अगले पल के नहीं होते और वादे हम पूरी जिंदगी के कर लेते हैं. It's crazy, man. Like, it's, you know, and because media, look at what media tells you. JK सुपर सीमेंट, विश्वास है इसमें कुछ खास है. In your age, this is the biggest distraction. Attention seeking syndrome, wanting to be. Flirting is fun, yes or no? मजा आता ना जब you meet someone online and then suddenly attraction starts. You meet, walking and chatting, sitting and chatting, shitting and chatting, sleeping and chatting. And you think no one is watching, but your mind is watching it all. It tracks the direction of your focus engine, and it automatically gets blunt. Yes or no? And I'll tell you what, it's so इतना बड़ा मिथ्या है, इतना बड़ा attraction है. It's a magical feeling, yeah. You know, boys and girls. It begins with butterflies in the stomach, and some people end up having babies in the stomach. It's magical. Love is such an expensive gift, boys and girls. Yes or no? Do not give it to someone who's very cheap. It's a very expensive gift. Don't just give it, fritter it away. You raise your own self. अपना aura बढ़ाइए, अपनी औकात बढ़ाइए. Automatically the right people will come into your life. And this is the time. I'm so jealous of you. I'm 40 plus and you're in your 20s, not even. I wish I ever, the irony with the life is if we live it forward but we understand it backwards. I wish I had the time as much as you had. I would have done crazy things, yeah. I was doing the same stuff which you were doing, but akal nahi hoti na tab. That's why I'm here to tell you, get that itch right, yeah. Don't waste it away. 1000 काम कर दो, भूख रखो. कहाँ टुच्चे मुद्दों में फंसे हुए हो? Ladies, all the ladies, raise your hand. तुम औरत नहीं हो, हाथ खड़ा करो. पूरा हाथ खड़ा करो. मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो. Boyless is not equal to joyless. Get out of that. I need attention. I need someone to go to coffee with. Someone should praise me. और निकलो बहन इन मुद्दों से. तरक्की करो. Are you with me? Boys, get out of those hairstyles and looking macho. I am the same guy your mother warned you about. Right? Okay. Right? So, people are in their relationship breakup issues. By the time you are 20, people have already had 3.2 breakups. Average. It's crazy, man. वो लड़का लोग तुम सुनो मेरी बात. हमारी जात तो एक है. भाई स्टाफ मेंबर रहे. वो बेवफा है तो क्या हुआ, मत बुरा कहो उसको. किसी और से तुम प्यार करो और दफा करो उसको. Hold on. यहाँ पे किसी और करियर है. बिकॉज अगर वो लड़की नहीं है, बिकॉज चंद्रमुखी हो या पारो, क्या फर्क पैदा यार हो. राइट. बस मेरे साथ बोलिए. When I do the right things, the right things will automatically happen to me, even if I don't want. Yes or no? अब इसका दूसरा बोलिए. When I do small, tucha, jaleel things, the jaleel things will automatically happen to me even if I don't want. With me? चॉइस इज योर्स बिकॉज महाराष्ट्र रोडवेज की बस पे लिखा होता है कि सवारी अपने सामान की खुद जिम्मेदार है। जिंदगी किसकी है? तुम्हारी। जिम्मेदारी किसने ली है? लो साला, खुद लो। ऑल द गर्ल्स रेज योर हैंड्स। हाँ भाई, तुम्हारे पे आता हूं। एंड लिसन केयरफुली, लिसन वेरी वेरी केयरफुली। रेज योर हैंड, कीप द हैंड रेज्ड। ऑल द भाई लोग सुनो मेरी बात। नो वन इन द वर्ल्ड इज इंटरेस्टेड इन योर स्टोरीज। बर्बाद कर देती हो सुना सुना के। मुझे ऐसा लगा, मुझे ऐसा फील, मेरे पापा मेरे बेटे। भाई लोग सही बोल रहा हूं? ताली बजाओ भाई लोग। मैंने anyways, see why I'm saying it, no offense to the because I don't want any Shiv Sena to do a protest against, right? See the point is simple, yeah. आप अपनी इमोशनल कॉम्पिटेंस बढ़ाइए। डोंट सीक अटेंशन। यू नो, शेरों ने, लॉयंस ने, उनके तजुर्बे से उन्होंने क्या सीखा? कि शिकार दहाड़ के नहीं, चुप रहकर होता है। कीप ऑन साइलेंटली वर्किंग, keep on silently working without seeking any attention. People who chase the spotlight, they never progress in life. Don't look for attention, don't look for gratification, don't look for companionship. Learn to live alone. That's the biggest skill set in today's world. Are you with me? अपने अंदर समुद्र है, अपने अंदर सब कुछ है, right? You know, आप गोल्स की बात कर रहे हो, एक one life, yes or no? उसके लिए यार इनपुट डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा। बहुत तरसाएगी, बहुत तड़पाएगी। ये मंजिल है मेरे दोस्त, मौत नहीं जो पल में आ जाएगी। उसमें इतनी एक जिंदगी में भी साला टुच्चे काम किए, आशिकी से कर से मर गए एक दिन, तो फायदा क्या होगा? I'm not against those poets or romanticists, but fall in love when you're competent to do it. When you can take decisions for your own self. You need to ask yourself, why are you going to the college? People go to the college because उनको पता नहीं और क्या करें, या एडमिशन ही उसी कोर्स में मिली। ठीक है ना, ट्रेडिशनल रूट, आप कॉलेज में आ गए हैं, इसके बाद हम MBA करेंगे, इसके बाद हम ये करेंगे। वो क्लासिकल रूट चला हुआ ना, यू नो, जो कि बताया गया है हमें ऐसे 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 करना है। यू नो, because the world is changing. I'm not saying you don't educate yourself. Yes, you must educate yourself, but you need to be clear, why are you coming to the college? If richness is not the reason why you're coming to the college, if versatility is not the reason why you're coming to the college, if making a network of people is not the reason why you're coming to the college, then if just passing the subjects is the reason you're coming to the college, then it's a wrong reason. Are you with me? Right. You need to make that a focal point of existence in the college. Very, very simple, yeah. 7 out of top 10 careers of 2025 are not even born yet. I'm giving you some data. These are biometric future forecasting predictions by top universities of US. And look at it very scarily. You're living with obsolescence. You're sleeping with obsolescence. I'll put it like that. 7 out of top 10 careers of 2025 are not even born yet. The richest man of 2040 also is not even born yet. Predictions. So what will those careers be? आने वाले टाइम में काम क्या आने वाला है? डिग्री नहीं, इंटरेस्ट नहीं, पैशन नहीं, सुपर क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं, पेडिग्री भी नहीं। काम आने वाले आप में स्किल कितने? How much time you spend in sharpening your skill set? What is your unique skill that you have which others don't have? Are you with me? And I'll give you some data. If you have any idea what is my qualification, what have I studied? I'm a motivational speaker and go and talk to the CEOs across the world, top senior managements. But by education, I'm a postgraduate in fashion. I'm a fashion designer from NIFT New Delhi. Yeah, it's not cool. Don't clap. It's useless. Only the institution is good, but I did not study anything out there, from fashion to passion. Which clearly makes me believe that qualifications do not always matter. Confidence and skill definitely does. Right. Now, understand the reasoning and the rhyme here. Are you sharpening your skill set? Are you getting closer to what is that unique thing that you have with you? Because your degrees are not going to take you anywhere. They might give you a start, but after that, it's only what you have with you. Are you with me? Right. 7 out of top 10 careers of 2025 are not even born yet. Who would have known apps weren't even there 6-7 years back? Now everything is on apps. People have made millions through apps. Are you able to future forecast what's the next big story? Okay. People who are doing it, they're earning and breaking it. And you are spending your time in relationships and looking good. It's such an exciting time to be living in India. Yes or no? You know, it's unprecedented time. Generations 100 years from now will look back at this time and look upon this time as saying it was the death of the old and the birthing of the new. Such an exciting era it would have been. Yes, it would have had some turmoil, but such an exciting time it would have been. I would be more worried about making millions today. Each and every one of you should be more worried about making a lot of money and paying it back to the world than worrying about a relationship or worrying about getting a job or a placement. What are you focusing upon? आपका ध्यान किधर है? आपकी जिंदगी उधर है. तुच्छी बातों में फंसे रहोगे, तुच्छे ही रहोगे यार. Right? You know, and problem is that जितना समय तुम एक जॉब को लेने में लगाते हो या कुछ मेहनत करते हो, सारी उम्र उसको insecure. See, you are competitive guys. You're trained to be competitive. In 10th class, you scored good marks. You were competitive. 12th, you wanted to get good marks. Competition. Graduation, competition. Post-graduation, competition. You clear those exams, CAT, competitive. After that, to get into a job, competition. To appraisals, competition. Competition has become a biological imperative with you till the seminal level. And personally, I feel that the more competitive you are feeling about in your life, the more scarce you will feel about things, and you'll feel not the abundance. So instead of getting into those jobs, my personal request to each and every youngster out here is, think about your ideas. Start business. You don't need money for the business. You need conviction and guts. Are you with me? You might earn less for the next few years, but over a period of time, you'll earn 100 and 200 times more. It's worth it work. Yes or no? Otherwise, you'll always be changing jobs. 1 second, you'll change. But you would not even know in which direction your life is heading. You might post those selfies on a trip to Singapore with your family and tell the world on Facebook that you're happy, those 200 people. And think that you're happy also, but you don't know what you're missing. Are you with me? Right? It's your own life. It's not your wife that you can take it non-seriously. Right? You know, it's a beautiful time. Anyways, you know, what matters is how big is your idea? What is your idea? Are you getting closer to finding your ideas? People are doing crazy things today, yeah? There are no rules in the world. Everything has a backdoor entry. Have the guts. How many of you got a good reading habit? बाकी लोग क्या फोटो वाली किताब पढ़ते हैं क्या? मस्त राम की कथाएं सुनते. Right? So, if you don't have a good reading habit, you'll never feel that thing about your own self, that mojo within. Start reading. Read literature which is not related to your subjects. You'll get that cross-contextual learning. You look at the same things in a newer way, on a newer footing. You get ideas, read newspapers, see news channels. Don't see those Star Pluses and craps. What the hell? Are you with me? You get your ideas, meet people, network a lot, see what's working, see where the problems of the world are. When I got into this profession of motivational speaking, I saw people in this field, in this domain, who were very, very straight-jacketed, talking very formal stuff, you know, this, that, yeah, whoa, you can win, you know, stuff like that. Right. And I found that there was a need for someone to come and refresh the audience, to actually go ahead and practically solve the practical problems. So I tried just to juxtapose my own personality against my profession. You do the same. Are you with me? Do anything, yeah. Who's stopping you? Your parents are not stopping you. Your friends aren't stopping you. Your teachers are definitely not stopping you. You are stopping yourself. Get out of your way, gentlemen. Your mind is stopping you. तुमने चाहा ही नहीं, हालात बदल भी सकते थे. तुम भी हिमालय की बुलंदियों पर पहुंच सकते थे. तुम भी फैंटास्टिक हेल्थ पा सकते थे. तुम भी फैंटास्टिक फिटनेस, अमेजिंग रिलेशनशिप्स, खूब सारा पैसा, खूब सारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी ला सकते थे, तुम तो ठहरे रहे उस झील के पानी की तरह, साला दरिया बन के बहते तो कहां से कहां पहुंच सकते थे। राइट, ऐसी बातों पे ताली बजाना और फिर कुछ ना करना, ये भी एक आदत है। लड़का ठीक बोलता है, बड़ा बोलता है। चेंज होने में दम चाहिए, गट्स चाहिए, कैरेक्टर चाहिए। आर यू विद मी? बिकॉज स्वाद में फंसे हुए ना हम। यू हैव टू लुक कूल टू द वर्ल्ड अराउंड। सब बोलेंगे वो देखो वो तो बड़ा टोइंग है। In order to live up to that cool image, how much energy we invest in trying to look cool to the world? Yes or no? We are servants. We are huge servants of the image which we want to project to the world. You know, if a lady gives a compliment to a boy sitting out there, keep, boy, what's your name? Green t-shirt, yeah, shirt. Huh? Kamal. Dhawan. Dhawan. Very good. Nice, you know, ऐसा लगा RDX है कुछ टाइप। So, if a lady gives you a compliment कि धवल तुम्हारी सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छी है, इसकी वाट लग गई। इसको 3 साल BMS में चीप जोक मार के घूमना पड़ेगा। Because baby said I'm very good. You notice we are huge servants of the image which you want to project to the world. Instead of spending so much energy in living up to that image, a better idea would be to spend and divert that energy in making smart progress. कम बोलो। मैक्सिमम एनर्जी आपकी कहाँ लगती है? फालतू में एडवाइस देने, दूसरों की लाइफ में घुसना, ये करना, वो तू ये कर, देख मैं बताती हूँ। वो जो सोनू है ना, वो है ही हरामखोर। भाई घोड़े को ब्लाइंडर्स क्यों लगाते हैं? घोड़े को ब्लाइंड, ताकि वो अपने उस पे देखे। Instead of thinking of giving ideas to others, think of giving higher ideas to your own self. Make smart progress. Talk, बोलिए, talk less, avoid mess. दूसरों का एडवाइस तो बिल्कुल मत दो, गलत ही जाएगा। अपना सिलेबस जिंदगी में इतना बड़ा, दूसरों की लाइफ में क्यों घुस रहे हो? Right, another distraction, because seclusion is the price of all of your goals है। लोगों को लगता है कि हमारा अकेला कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है, हमारा कोई ये नहीं है। कौन सा भाई, मतलब कोई अर्थ को एक आ गया। अगर तुम्हारे, मेरा कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है यार, आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू। मेरा घर पे कोई नहीं आता, जो है फ्रेंड्स दूर है, कभी कभी बात हो जाती है। आई डोंट नीड फ्रेंड्स। अपनी लाइफ में सिलेबस इतना, बहुत सिलेबस है लाइफ में यार। और फ्रेंड्स आते हैं तो नेगेटिव एनर्जी लेके आते हैं। वो एयरटेल झूठ बोलता है कि हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है, और जो तेरा है वो तो मेरा होता ही नहीं है। You know, मेडिटेट करो, फिटनेस रखो, गोल्स पे फोकस करो साला, और करना क्या है? मजा ही उसमें। वो जो छिछोरापन में मजा नहीं है यार। इतने साल करके देख लिया, कुछ मिला? चेंज द इनपुट, आउटपुट और ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज। सबसे मोटिवेटिंग लाइन कही थी रूपा अंडरवेज बनियान वालों ने, जो अंदर फिट वो अंदर सड़न जलन कुड़न है, टेंशन है, फियर्स हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्सेस हैं, एंजाइटीज हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स वरीज हैं, फेलियर्स। तो फिर बाहर कैसे हिट होगा? इनपुट ही गंदा है तो आउटपुट हसीन कैसे होगा? आप कितने हैं, अपनी सोच जितने हैं दोस्त। और जो सोचने वालों की दुनिया है, वो दुनिया वालों की सोच से अलग होती है। यू नो, सपने तो बहुत है, हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, करेगा कौन? अपना हनीमून स्वयं रचाना पड़ेगा दोस्त, कोई और आगे नहीं करेगा। Don't spend those money on those luxuries, upgrading your handsets, upgrading how people want to look at you. Pick up those apprenticeships, those internships in Starbucks or here and there, and see how customer behavior is, how people behave, how do you handle money. Do things which no one else has done, yeah? Do stuff which people don't like to do. That will get you richness early in your life. Go to a foreign country without money. Work there, earn money, and then stay in that country in your 2 months. You know, can you think of doing eccentric things? You know, work with the startups. The more difficult it is, the more easy it is. Why? Because 99.99% will leave because it is difficult after some time. That 0.01% who hang on will become rock stars. You don't have to become a superstar in your market or domain, whichever you're thinking. You're all management students, I'm saying this to you. Today there's no market, there are micro markets, there are niche markets, yes or no? For every emotion of a human being, there are 10 markets, and every 10 market has 100 competitors. All you need to do in here is hang on for a good number of years, build your thought leadership, and become the number one in your micro market. When you're the number one in your micro market, people will buy you at a premium. The difference between number one and number three is not 2 places, but 20 places. You don't go to number 3 doctors, you go to number 1 and pay them more. To relentlessly focus on your unfair advantage. The thing that you do and others cannot. Now you might have a counter question, I don't know. मैं तो घी की सब्जी हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं कि मेरे में एक्साइटिंग क्या है. हो सकता है ना, ऐसा ना, मैं भी ऐसा ही था. मैं कोई 40 मार्क खान नहीं हूँ, 007.5. Right, nothing. If you are confused today, gentlemen and ladies, it's a great zone to be in. Because confusion is the beginning of clarity. But what is a sin? पाप ये है that you don't आप हाथ पाँव ना मारो उस confusion से निकलने के लिए. Anyone who's gotten clarity in life has gone through the tunnel of confusion. You find out what's good about you, and you will be able to find it out what's good about you by making hundreds of mistakes, by exposing yourself more to the world, by taking up internships, part-time jobs, seeing how the world is working, by reading more, by seeing more, by watching more, by observing more, by being a good student to life and living better. Are you with me? Rather than just be lazy. कुछ लोग तो ऐसे कॉलेज में देख के आते हैं ना, जैसे लगा मतलब दहेज में आए थे. मायूस, दुख भरी दास्तां सुनो मेरी. 10th क्लास तक हमें लगता है कि हम सुपर हीरो हैं. कुछ भी तो कुछ भी फोड़ देंगे, फाड़ देंगे, है ना, कुछ भी कर देंगे. लेकिन 10th के बाद आपकी गाड़ी अगर चल रही है और ये आपके गोल्स इन लाइफ में, हैंड ब्रेक लग जाती है. गाड़ी को क्या लग जाती है? हैंड ब्रेक. किस चीज़ की है? हैंड ब्रेक है आपकी आदतों की, जो कि धीरे धीरे सेट होती हैं 6th 7th के बाद, और 10th के बाद जाम होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं, which makes you so predictable, which chain you, which prevent you. Not that you don't want to change, you really do wish to change, but आपकी आदतें आपको जकड़ रखती हैं 10th के बाद. वो that's why I'm saying, for the parents sitting out here, आपका बच्चा आपकी बात सिर्फ 12-13 साल तक सुनेगा. जो सुना नहीं तब तक सुना लो, पोलियो की 5 बूंद डाल दो, 3-5 जो भी है, उसके बाद नहीं सुनने वाला क्योंकि हैंड ब्रेक लग चुकी है. Yes or no? Thank you very, very much.